EPA WA meteorologist Bobby Marchich with your outlook for September 14th, 2020. We will have a cold front moving through early this morning. And for our southeastern areas, you may have some early clouds to contend with very early in the morning. And then I think we'll have decreasing clouds from northwest to southeast. And a very nice day, as it turns out. Humidity is going to be lowering today. And we're going to also have temperatures, because that cold front's moving through today, not quite as cool as we'll see tomorrow. But we'll see temperatures in the 70s across most of the region today until the front moves through. And then overnight, we're going to drop down into the 40s in some locations today. This is actually the first of two troughs that we're going to see in the week ahead. And the first one is not going to be as long-lasting nor as potent as the second one. So we'll get to that in a second here. Down to our south here in the northern Gulf is Sally, which is expected to make landfall as a hurricane along right near New Orleans, right in the mouth of Mississippi here. Now, this is going to be a player later in the week here, maybe, for our far southeastern areas. I don't think this is going to be something that comes across the region and gives the entire region remnant rainfall, and that's because we have a trough that's going to be coming in here on Thursday. It's going to push this a little bit further southeast. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you the model here. There's the most aggressive northwest with the precipitation that does get into our southeastern areas, whereas other models keep it further south and east. And a lot of that's going to be predicated on the speed of a front coming in here on Thursday, or Thursday night, I should say. So here is today. Again, once that front clears early this morning, we are mostly sunny this afternoon and clear skies overnight with, again, some areas getting into the 40s for the first time since late spring. It's been a while. Once we get into Tuesday, we are bright sunshine with high pressure directly overhead. Bright sunshine again on Wednesday as well, but I think that we're going to be at 70, 72-ish for highs here on Tuesday. And then winds are going to shift to the southwest on Wednesday, so we're going to have temperatures increasing a little bit to the mid to upper 70s for highs here on Wednesday. So even though it's going to be mostly sunny, we're still going to be a little bit warmer, and temperatures are going to be very similar overnight on Tuesday night as they are expected to be overnight tonight. And again, clear skies. So we get to Thursday now. We have this system moving off to the north and east. Now you can see off to our north here, you can just see starting to see the cold front, which is situated right like this. This cold front is going to pick up what's left of Sally at this point and is going to turn it this way. Okay, so it can't go through this trough. The trough's going to pick it up. It's still guided by the laws of physics, and you can't go through fronts or through high-pressure systems or through low-pressure systems. It still has to follow the rules. So because this front is in the vicinity and there's a really cool trough sitting up here that's going to be diving down to the south and east that's going to come in next weekend, this is going to have a little bit more power here to direct this to the south and east here. Now, again, this is the most northwest model here. Now, Thursday, the cold front's approaching our region, so we're going to be partly to mostly cloudy because of that. I don't think we're going to get into precipitation, though. It's going to be more moisture-starved frontal boundary. A lot of that is because of the fact that Sally is down here, or what's left of Sally is down here, and it's taking all the forcing with it. So this is going to remain off to our south and east, we think. This is the furthest northwest it gets, and this is the most northwest model here, and it gets it just to our southeastern PA locations, parts of New Jersey and Delaware with some remnant rainfall here on Thursday. So I think if there's a higher probability area, it would be those areas to see that, but it might not be all of those areas. It might end up being a little bit further southeast than that if some other models are correct. But either way, this front is going to guide this offshore. And I think if you're in the interior, you have a much better chance of staying dry here during this stretch, and maybe dry the entire week, because after this comes through, Saturday and Sunday are going to be back to mostly sunny skies, and temperatures are going to be in the 60s for highs. So we went from, getting into the, 70s. Each one of these fronts that are coming through as we get through autumn are a little bit more stronger and stronger of a time here. So we have Saturday and Sunday going to be stuck in the 60s for highs, maybe middle 60s for highs here on Saturday. Same thing here on Sunday. And overnight lows getting into the 40s, but not just upper 40s. We're looking at lower 40s to mid 40s. So this is going to be a little bit cooler, this one. This one has a little bit more staying power, and it looks like it's not going to be leaving until about Monday of next week. So our 7-day forecast only goes through Sunday. We don't have anything beyond that, but it does look like it's going to stick around for a couple days this time instead of lifting out after one day. Like we're going to see this trough here coming in behind the cold front today. That's going to lead to cooler temperatures tomorrow, and then rebounding already by Wednesday. This one I think comes in Again, Friday, and then you have Saturday, Sunday will be cooler, so will be Monday, it looks like. So a couple days here, we're going to have temperatures in the 60s coming up here, and some very refreshing temperatures to look forward to. I'm EPA WA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for September 14th, 2020. Have a great Monday.